Hi, I'm Garima from Kanpur. I am a franchise owner of Khilone Wala Toys and Books Library, and I have been asked to share my story of Khilone Wala. It's a pretty long one, but I'm sure you would like to listen to it. I was working as a radio jockey in one of the leading FM channels of Kanpur, and after around 8 long years, I had to, quit my amazing job because of some health issues I was facing. So working tirelessly 24/7 to being at home doing nothing was really a depressing time for me. So God had other plans for me. I was blessed with a baby, and being 24/7 with her, attending to her needs, made me forget all the depression and frustration I was facing. After around a year, I again started, searching for a job, basically work from home, and I came across a lot of options. And after going through a lot of options, their pros and cons, I came across Khilone Wala. In the beginning, I was a bit hesitant, and I didn't, have the confidence that whether this kind of concept of renting out toys and books would work in a city like Kanpur. But I went all the way to Indore to meet the owners, Mr. Bharat Jain and Mr. Abhishek Jain. And after meeting them, actually, I had, developed a confidence that this might work in a city like Kanpur. So after around 6 months of working and 2 days of vigorous training, I finally launched it in Kanpur, and on 25th Feb 2018 it was launched, and thank God it was a successful one. So one thing I forgot to mention is that I had launched the party and big toys category along with the toy and books category. This helped me provide more services to my clients. So now if there's a party at somebody's place or at some hotel or other venue, they can actually rent the toys and big toys category things as well without, buying them, without burning a hole in their pockets. So this has actually benefited a lot of parents. I would also like to share that my daughter has been very lucky, to have a mother like me who deals in toys and books. Come. Smile, 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 smile. She's just 4 and she has a habit of book reading. I've consciously developed this habit in her daily routine, and I would like to add that she is just 4 and she reads long sentences without fumbling. And she has a curiosity to learn more and more about books and play with more and more toys and learn about them, how they work and all. And this has helped in her overall development as well. The toys and books that have been provided to me by Khilone Wala have been, added after a great deal of research. So they are actually age appropriate. This helps in the overall development of the child, and I have actually experienced it with my daughter. As far as the toys and books that have been provided to me are concerned, Khilone Wala has 25 plus book publishers plus 50 plus toy brands, so there is a huge variety to choose from. And as far as the support is concerned, the company owners have actually provided 24/7 support to me in terms of doubts that I had while running this business. So they are available on WhatsApp, on mails, on calls 24/7, and they are always there to help me and support me. So Khilone Wala has made me financially independent, and plus I am able to give time to my family with 100% efficiency. So I would just like to say that thank you so much, Khilone Wala. It means a lot.